Hi, I'm Susan, and let me introduce you to Jim.
Howdy, pilgrims. Today on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, I'm going to be making a recipe that was recommended by my brother-in-law. Hey, it's Prison Jim again. It's been a while since I've been here. It's because I was in isolation just for a little bit, for a little mischievous stunt. Well, I'm back and I'm ready to cook you something. I'm making a dessert. I'm making a prison brownie. Hey, how you doing? Happy Halloween. I'm going to be making something for you today. I'm going to be making something called tomato mystery jello. Well, hello, and welcome to the show. As you know, I've been doing mug cake musicals. Well, today is the mug cake musical extravaganza. I've invited a few of my friends for today's episode. So take a seat, grab your favorite mug, and let the show begin. Grab your mug, it's a mug cake musical.
That's Jim, and he's a hoot. He has Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and he's hosting this Nacho Day collaboration. I highly recommend you go by and check out Jim's channel. I will have it listed in my description box down below. I've got my meat browning. It's just ground beef. And I've got probably about 2 to 2.5 pounds of ground beef. And I'm going to brown it with diced onion and garlic. And you just use however much you want. And I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper. Now my ground beef, onion, garlic, and everything's been browned, and I drained it. So now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. That's about the equivalent of a pack, but I like making my own. Now I'm adding about 1/4 a cup of water, just enough to kind of get a little bit of sauce. And now I'm adding, this is probably about 3/4 of a jar of salsa. You can add as much as you want, or none if you want. But we like to add our salsa to it. And I rinse out the jar also with a little bit of water. And I just cook down everything, mixing it well, and just cook out the liquid until I get my ground beef ready. Now it's time to build up your nachos. So you get your favorite tortilla chips and you put it on your plate. And you add your ground beef, just sprinkle your ground beef over the top of your chips. Now I'm just adding a little spoonful of the bean dip over it, and I just bought the Frito-Lay bean dip. You can use whatever you like, or you can use refried beans. My nachos are convenient nachos, so it's nothing fancy. It's just regular nachos. And we like to add the jarred cheese dip. We like the white, and then we'll add some yellow, and we just spoon it over the top of our nachos. And now for that extra cheesy punch, we sprinkle more cheese over our nachos. And this is Colby Jack. And you put as much cheese as you want. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. And now I'm going to finish topping my nachos. And you put whatever toppings you like. I like the tomato. I love black olives on my nachos. My family does not. They keep theirs fairly simple. But I like sour cream. I like jalapenos. These are tamed jalapenos, but you can add the hot ones. And I discovered this guacamole salsa, and it is delicious. I sprinkle a little bit of green onion over the top and a few leaves of cilantro. I love cilantro. And here's how it turns out. Mine, I like the works on mine, but you can mix it up any way you want, and you can put anything you want. Basically, all you need is your meat, and then just whatever toppings you enjoy on it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And Jim, thank you for hosting this challenge. It was a lot of fun, and I enjoy your channel so much. Be sure and check it out. You will not be disappointed, and you will be in for a lot of laughs. Until next time, bye, y'all.